There's a rock hammer, and these are rocks. You've seen them, and we look forward to a lot of sand, but the world's full of rocks. And my father was quite the rock hammer, but the miniature geologist for a while. If you for geology, you recognize these guys because they walk around like this. And once in a while, they go, the garage is full of rocks. This would be about 2 tons. That's when the spouse is like, 2 tons of rocks. I mean, really? But he was quite interested in geology. He got interested in science. And he was thrilled, as I hope all of everybody my age was, when this picture came back from the planet Mars. This was in 1976, right in the middle of the disco era. And I was really the first disco era. I know many of you, for some reason, are reliving the disco era. Really, I want you to think carefully. The leisure suits, the music, hip hop jeans. I mean, that was good. Most of it was not so good. So this picture was taken by the Viking spacecraft, and if you look at this picture, as my father pointed out, Mars is a place. I mean, you guys remember the planetary, the space generation. It's a very common idea, but in those days it was a revelation. You could go there and walk around, if you were dressed properly. I mean, it's like a camping trip. You want to take food, and Kang, I guess. Water. It's also important when you go to Mars, take something to breathe. They don't have anything, hardly. So I was at a meeting at Caltech a year ago in November. Caltech, right on. Sitting over in the corner. And it was a meeting of these people who worked on the Voyager spacecraft, on the Viking spacecraft. And I met these guys, and they told me the story again, and if it's not exactly right, it's close. It was over 30 years ago. It was, this picture was released on a Wednesday, and they were all very proud of it. Went all over the world, New York Times, Papua New Guinea Gazette, or whatever, South African agencies, everywhere in the world. And then it wasn't until sort of the next morning that they realized that this picture has a fundamental problem. And that is that on Mars, the sky is probably not blue. And the way they told the story was like, what do you mean? No, it's probably not blue, but it's a planet. I know, but it's a different planet. Oh, wow. And so it's more this color, whatever that color is. What is that color? Tan? Cinnamon? Yes. Ecru? Eggshell? If you go to like Macy's or someplace where they sell women's stockings, I mean, I don't wear them. But it's sort of the colors in the upper right. Not the darkness, one of those sunrise or something. And so, to a geologist, this is a great significance because the color of the rocks gives you your first idea of what the rocks are made of. Now, thank you. Well, Mars, as far away as it is from us, you can see at night that it's vaguely pink, or orange, or salmon, or ecru, or eggshell, or one of these things. Totally. And you can see it from here because the surface is covered with rust, with iron oxide. So the color of the sky and the color of the rocks are influenced by what's in the sky, and some of it's dust, but a lot of it are these gases. So these are data from the Viking missions. The pressure in the atmosphere on Earth is about 1,014 millibars. On Mars, it's only 7 millibars. It's less than 1%. Now, I'll reassure you all before you jump out of your chair, I know system, but now we are also excited about the MKS, meter kilogram per second. I know. You end up with a factor of 10 to the fifth, 100,000. Doesn't fit into thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So the official word now for the same unit is hectopascal.